One of the greatest spiritual leaders of India, Swami Vivekananda is credited with bringing the glory of the Hindu philosophy to the global platform. Born on January 12, 1863, as Narendranath Dutta in Kolkata into an aristocratic Bengali caste family, he became a disciple of the famed saint of Dakshineshwar, Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Swami Vivekananda was a key figure for introducing the Indian Vedanta and philosophies of yoga to the world, which put India on the world's spiritual map. It was his famous speech at the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago, 1893 that forever changed the way the world looked at India. In this video, you'll find inspiring and motivational quotes of Swami Vivekananda, help you to focus and achieve your goal. Let's start. Arise, awake, sleep no more. Within each of you there is the power to remove all wants and all miseries. Believe this, and that power will be manifested. Avoid weakness and slavery. Be a hero. Always say, I have no fear. Tell this to everybody. Have no fear. Fear is death, fear is sin, fear is hell, fear is unrighteousness, fear is wrong life. Be brave and be sincere, then follow any path with devotion, and you must reach the whole. Once lay hold of one link of the chain, and the whole chain must come by degrees. Blame neither man, nor God, nor anyone in the world. When you find yourselves suffering, blame yourselves, and try to do better. Do not be afraid. Great things are going to be done, my child. Take heart. Great things can be done by great sacrifices only.